Sachin Tendulkar is a legendary cricketer from India, often hailed as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. I am one of his big fans, and I am happy to have been allowed to talk about something about this great sportsperson whom I have always admired as a person and cricketer. Growing up, I remember watching Tendulkar mesmerize audiences with his impeccable batting technique and ability to score runs against any opposition. He holds numerous records in cricket, including being the first player to score 100 international centuries, a feat that speaks volumes about his consistency and longevity in the game. What I find most admirable about Tendulkar is his sheer passion for cricket. Despite facing immense pressure and expectations throughout his career, he always remained focused and dedicated to his craft. Whether he was playing in front of packed stadiums or representing India on the world stage, Tendulkar always carried himself with grace and dignity, earning the respect of fans and fellow cricketers alike. Off the field, Tendulkar is known for his philanthropic work and commitment to giving back to society. He has been actively involved in various charitable initiatives, particularly in the areas of education and healthcare, aiming to make a positive impact on the lives of others. I can say that Sachin Tendulkar's remarkable career and contributions to the sport of cricket have left an indelible mark on the world of sports. He is not just a cricketing icon, but also a role model for aspiring athletes everywhere, inspiring them to dream big and strive for excellence.